I don't know when it began or whose dream it was. I only know that I slept a long time and one day I woke. If one day your Tesla becomes self-aware, it might have been 5G that did it. Okay, maybe it won't happen until 10G, but it definitely started with 5G. Hear me out. Turns out, making a fully autonomous vehicle a reality for everyone is harder than we thought. There are two main problems that car needs to solve. The first problem is the perception problem. This is to figure out what's around the car. Is it a person? Is it an object? And this is the easy one. The second problem is the prediction problem, and this is to figure out what the other pedestrians or cars will do and then make an appropriate response. This is a hard problem because theoretically you're supposed to train the self-driving car model with all kinds of driving scenarios, weather conditions, country data available. And then you have to test the trained model with different sets of test data to make sure it's secure and safe enough for people. Self-driving cars are a game of data. They need a continuous stream of data in order to work. Right now, the data being collected by autonomous vehicle sensor suites is trained in a data center, and then the trained model is delivered back to the car. With this upgrade coming from Tesla, all Tesla cars will have the same level of autonomy. One Tesla Model 3 is like another Tesla Model 3. Why can't the cars just make decisions for themselves yet? One reason is the huge amount of data each car captures, and let's just focus on the camera. HD video stream gets up to 1 terabyte an hour, with 4K videos getting up to 5 terabyte an hour. Tesla owners could decide to share data with Tesla, and right now you can probably only realistically do this over Wi-Fi. When there is a software available to upgrade your Tesla's autonomy, it will be sent by Tesla through Wi-Fi because it will be a huge file package. But when 5G is available, thanks to the high speed and low latency, the huge amount of data can freely flow between the data center to the cloud to your car and vice versa. All the cars on the street will be able to communicate with each other so they can avoid collision. Your car can even immediately locate a parking spot nearby for you. The autonomous vehicles can still wait for some training to be done in a data center or on an edge server and then receive the software upgrade. Or if the onboard edge computer is strong enough with enough storage, why not doing some training locally and then make instantaneous decisions for itself? Therefore, it will improve the model over time. In the HBO series Westworld, the hosts or the robots became self-aware because they had to undergo continuous human abuse. Hopefully, you're not abusing your car, but if it gets to experience more and travel more and make inference for itself, well, then it might be awake earlier than the other cars.